Hey Arya, do you know what Hostinger.com is?
I've heard the name, but I'm not sure. Is it something techie?
Not too techy. It's a website service where you can create and manage your own website.
Oh, that sounds cool. So it's like a place to get your own corner of the internet?
Exactly. It's like renting a piece of the internet where you can build your own website, whether it's for a business, blog, or anything you like.
Nice. Do I need to know a lot about computers to use it?
Not at all. Hostinger makes it easy with user-friendly tools and templates, so anyone can create a website.
That sounds helpful. Is there anything special about Hostinger?
Yes, an interesting fact is that they have a really fast server response time, which means your website can load faster compared to many other hosting services.
Wow, that sounds useful. Faster loading means nicer experience for visitors, right?
Absolutely. A faster website keeps people happy and keeps them from leaving too quickly.
Thanks, George. I'll definitely check it out.